So today I'm going to be showing you how to install the LP conversion kit on this 36-inch dual fuel range. So I've gone ahead and I've removed my burners and grates. I'm going to set down my skid protector so we can pull the unit out to get behind it and access our regulator. All right, to do the conversion with the regulator, we're going to unscrew this cap. It's got a little plastic plug in here that's threaded. We're going to unscrew it, and then we're going to flip it and screw it back in. And now I'm just going to reinsert it. So to do the cooktop conversion, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver and a 7mm open wrench. You got to remove the cover to expose one of the orifices, which is actually hidden right here. Now, this is a 6-burner unit. Each burner has 2 orifices, one under the cover and then one right here on top. Now, always check your instructions that come with your product because it may vary. The way that mine is set up, the internal orifice for all 6 burners is the same. It's sized at a 48. The 3 rear and center, front center, is actually a 91. And the external, right here on top, and then 115 on the left and right side. That's 1. I'm going to go ahead and do the other 5 now. All 6 of the burners on the unit are dual burners, so we're going to have to adjust 2 sets of screws, one for the outer ring and one for the inner ring. And you want your flames to be as blue as possible with the minimal amount of orange flecks appearing at the end of your flame. Ensure that you replace the labeling so that the unit does have the correct product information after you have done the conversion. So we've successfully installed the LP conversion kit on our 36-inch dual fuel range.